In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana tasks to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Asana due dates showing right inside your Google Calendar so you can plan your day without switching tabs. Make sure you're signed into both Asana and Google in your browser and that you're in the correct Asana workspace where your tasks live. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clear starting point and ensures the top navigation is visible. If you manage multiple organizations or workspaces, double check the workspace switcher so you connect the right place to your calendar. Next, look to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile icon. This is where personal preferences and app connections are managed. From the menu that appears, click Settings to open your account settings window. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps tab. This is Asana's hub for integrations. If you've never connected apps before, it may look pretty clean. That's fine, we're about to add Google Calendar. Scroll down the Apps section and click See All Apps. This opens the Asana app directory, which lists all available integrations. It's much faster to use the directory search than to scroll through everything. In the search field, type Google Calendar. You should see the official Google Calendar integration appear. Select it to open the integration details, where you can confirm you're installing the correct supported app. Click Install GCal for Asana. You'll then see the option to connect Google Calendar. Click that to start the authorization flow. Your browser may prompt you to choose your Google account and to grant permission so Asana can add events to your calendar. Approve the permissions. This is required for the sync to work. Once connected, Asana will begin syncing tasks with due dates to Google Calendar. Give it a minute. The first sync can take a bit. In Google Calendar, make sure the newly added calendar is toggled on in the left sidebar so events are visible. Most tasks show up as all-day events on their due date, which is perfect for high-level planning. If you update a due date in Asana, it will reflect in Google Calendar after the integration refreshes. If you don't see changes right away, refresh your browser and verify you're viewing the correct Google account and calendar. That's it. Your Asana tasks are now synced to Google Calendar. Keep your tasks dated in Asana for the most reliable calendar view, and you'll always know what's on deck. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.